नहीं, तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू थर्ड हो रहा है, Q&A है, Q&A.
Okay.
Alright, Komal, few random questions. What is your favorite drink?
Drink.
Yes.
Lassi.
And what type of clothing is your favorite clothing?
Completely soft and just one piece. Completely loose
Hmm.
and flats. That's
Alright.
it. My hair tied in a bun. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Other than that, your favorite color?
Color, pastel colors. I really like them.
Your favorite pastime?
Pastime.
Hmm.
Maybe spending some time with nature. Yeah. And alone sitting, for example, in balcony or a terrace.
You look like a quiet kind of person. Now tell me, your favorite place that you have visited so far?
Favorite place I've visited so far? There are many, but I think Varkala is my favorite.
Alright, what about Goa? Goa versus Varkala, which is better?
If you want to spend your 2 days, then Varkala is good, and if you want to plan for some long time, then Goa is good.
Alright, hilly place versus beach, which one will you pick?
Depends on my mood. Both.
Summer versus winter?
Winter.
Alright, guy on a tank top versus guy in a suit?
Guy in a tank top versus guy in a suit.
Hmm.
Guy in a tank top.
Alright, skinny, lean, ripped person versus muscular guy?
Skinny, ribbed person.
Okay,
Healthy person.
gymnast versus heavy lifter, which one will you put?
I don't like no offense, but I like that basketball kind guys who are tall or lean. Like that.
Do you have any height criteria for guys?
No, it's not.
Okay, hair criteria?
Hair criteria? No, but you have good hair.
What makes a good man?
What makes not a good man? I think a person should be good if that person is kind and loving. That's
Alright.
my definition of person is that person is kind and loving and happy. That is the best man or best person.
If you have a lot of money, like 10 crores right now, what would you do?
I would still sipping coffee at Starbucks even if I'm having 500 rupees in my account and at the same time I'm having crores in my account. I'll choose just coffee, taking care of my health, diet, my shoots. I'll live the same life, and it has started raining.
Yep.
Yeah.
You like rain?
No, like from outside I just love it, but not going outside because I hate that chip kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why Starbucks?
I don't know why, but it has some different vibe.
Why coffee?
Coffee.
Tea versus coffee.
Tea versus coffee. If it is tea made by my mom versus coffee, then obviously tea made by my mom. But if it is general tea versus coffee, then coffee.
Why do you
Cold
podcast?
I just have fun and I just love doing it. I just put my thoughts out there, and that's how it makes my week. It detoxify my system.
Why are you a model?
Why am I one? Because I feel that even when I was not even in my senses, I was visualizing out there, myself out there.
Before
And
this
it
rain becomes more terrible. Yep, you please continue.
Yeah, it is kind of an emotion for me. So like people think that it is part-time like that, but it is an strong emotion for me. And whenever I don't do it, I don't feel like I am alive. I don't feel my existence if I'm not pursuing modeling. Yeah.
Right. Your favorite part about modeling, what is it?
I get too familiar with different things. Like sometimes you may be doing tribal things, and sometimes you'll be doing some South Indian thing. And recently I did shoot for in hijab and all. So that was good. And another thing I just love about it, the way I get I get bombarded with some things, some random things which I'm not even aware. Like the call, they'll ask me that just come in 2 hours. So that kind of uncertainty, that kind of adventurous spirit I like about it.
Why are you not teaching chemistry anymore?
I want to. It's not like that I'm not doing it professionally, but I've started my YouTube channel on it. but recently I'm not uploading anything on it. I seriously feel very bad about it. I shall continue doing it, but the thing is, I'm not getting time that much because I have to take care of my diet, skin, and more things are lined up in my head. I need to prepare for them. Some competitions, and now I'm entering into some other competitions, so I have to prepare for that. So that is taking a lot of time.
What is that one thing in this world that you want to change?
One thing in this world that I want to change. Preconceived notion of people.
Please elaborate.
Yeah, that people start assuming.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that one thing about India that you want to change?
India, obviously, I think the biggest thing which I'm facing right now is safety. I can go out at 3 at night, right? So that is the biggest thing, and that is the biggest change which I need, and India also needs.
What is the meaning of life for you?
Meaning of life for me, at the end of the day, it should be like when I lie down at my bed, I should be satisfied with the work. It can be described in two terms, short term and long term. So short term should be that I'm doing everything to make myself happy in terms of my goals, in terms of giving time to my friends and family. And apart from that, if I talk about long term, so I think life without a purpose is meaningless. You should have some purpose and you should work continuously towards it, and that's make life meaningful and happy. You should be happy like me all the time.
How to be happy, Komal?
It's just like no matter what life throws at you, you have that courage that I can tolerate it, I can deal with it. That kind of attitude.
Alright, final parting words before we end this Q&A.
Yeah.
To your followers, what do you want to say?
I think I have two things to say, which I always say. That believe in love, because it's not the love which you are thinking. Every kind of love I'm talking about. Believe in love, because where real detoxification lies, I feel so. And of course, my podcast also does the same thing. So you can get back to there too. But apart from that, I feel so people should choose what they want to do, but what they really want to do, not what other person are subjecting them to do. They should do whatever intrigues them, whatever they like. Like for example, now I've given up on my certain field that was studies, doing PhD and all. But now I'm into modeling. I'm loving my life, even if I'm not earning maybe for months, or when I'm earning as good, decent money. I'm happy because I'm pursuing it. So go for your dreams, follow them. You'll feel different kind of feeling, and this feeling will make you keep going. You'll never be bored, and it can keep you going for 40 years even if you are not getting anything work-wise.
That's very enlightening, ma'am. Thank you. We are going to end this. Guys, see you next time. Komal, say your byes.
That was very random and unexpected. I'm sitting in rain, and Ashish is doing Q&A session with me. So thank you so much for all the lovely questions. That was random, unexpected, and I love you guys. Bye.
That's what you need to know about Ashish and expect the unexpected. See you next time. Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.